Hello everybody and welcome to Storming Coasters. Today I'll be reviewing Gatekeeper, a B&M wing coaster located at Cedar Point. Telling you what I liked about the ride, what I didn't like about it, and whether or not you should ride Gatekeeper during your visit to Cedar Point. Before we get started though, make sure to subscribe to Storming Coasters and like this video, as it's free and you can change your mind anytime later. And special thanks to East Coasters for the POV of this video, which you will see later. But now let's jump into the video. Starting with the basic stats of the ride, Gatekeeper has a height of 170 feet tall and speeds up to 67 miles per hour. It has a length of 4,164 feet and a duration of 2 minutes and 40 seconds. The ride has an amazing 6 inversions. It cost $25 million to build and has a capacity of 1,710 riders per hour. Now let's start on the queue line. The queue line is generally pretty long, but I was able to get on in just like 15 minutes because it was around supper time, so nobody was over there when I rode it. But now let's get into the trains of the ride. The trains have a cool design. It was pretty cool, but it wasn't comfortable, and that basically ruined the whole ride for me. First of all, the best restraint was super tight and pressed extremely hardly onto my shoulders and made it a bit hard for me to breathe. And second, the restraints, especially on the brake run, were stapling and it felt like somebody was jabbing a knife into my man regions. Anyways, let's get into the layout. It has a really good layout. Once you dispatch from the station, you will go into a 180-degree turn to the right and start ascending up your lift hill. Once you release, go into a wing over drop, that is where you flip 180 degrees, and then finish the second half of a vertical loop. But then you'll ride through an Immelman loop, and then go into an airtimeless airtime hill. So it's a very pointless element. I might be talking a bit fast for this specific ride, but anyways, go into a corkscrew, and then a 0G roll through 2 keyholes. And then go into a, dive drop, that's what they're calling it, and then a smaller 0G roll, getting very close to the keyholes. And then you'll glide into the mid-course brake run. And yes, I understand I'm talking too fast for this part. But drop out, ride a left 360-degree helix. Still helixing. Okay, go over an airtime hill, which kind of serves no purpose, and glide into the final brake run. The layout is not bad. In fact, it's an awesome layout, but the ride has terrible restraints, and then it's also very rough, in my opinion. But would I recommend riding Gatekeeper while you're at Cedar Point? I mean, personally, I would not recommend it, but the rest of my family loved it. If you enjoy your shoulders being crushed, and if you're a man, you can also get your man region crushed, then you'll love this ride, but it's best to brace yourself if you ride. Anyways, that's going to wrap up today's review. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to Storming Coasters and like this video. Comment your thoughts on Gatekeeper if you've ridden it, and have a great rest of your day.